Hi there, this is Steve Miley, the market chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at the US dollar versus Japanese yen and also US dollar, Canadian dollar. The US dollar rebounding against most of the major G10 currencies in here since the early part of September. Certainly an anticipation of a potentially more hawkish tone coming back from the Fed in here, moving away from the general risk-off scenario as well that we had through late August, early September, given both the hurricanes that were hitting the East Coast of the US, and then also the ongoing geopolitical tensions surrounding Korea. But those have kind of been dismissed in here by the markets in the early part of September. Certainly over the last week or so, the market rebounding in here, dollar yen, shifting away from the yen, selling yen, buying US dollars, a more hawkish home for the dollar, and a move away from the yen, not needing that safe haven protection. So the market rallying up through this important level at 111.05. That's neutralized the intermediate term bearish threat, and we'll take a look at that on the daily chart shortly. But there's real risk of a more bullish shift, and that will be signaled through 112.20. So if I zoom out to the daily chart in here, you can see we had this downtrend that was come from late July through into August, early and September. But then the market rebounding here through 111.05, neutralizing the bearish theme, and risk above 112.20 would then see a more bullish theme. Dollar CAD nowhere near as bullish in here, but we are getting a rebound on dollar CAD, so the market pushing higher despite oil going higher. We should see Canadian dollar higher and dollar CAD lower. Dollar CAD is rebounding, trying to find a base in here again with that slightly more hawkish tone, and potentially, although we're not aggressively bullish here, we do see an upside threat, correction threat higher, but still the underlying intermediate term threat is lower with this downtrend, but in the very short term the threat to the top side. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist, on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.